today's video, we're going to be replacing the purge valve for 2004 through 2008 Acura TL. This is the part number right here, genuine Honda part. And this is the purge valve right here. So first thing first, grab a needle nose plier or whatever plier you have. You're going to pinch this and slide it up, and then one other hose, which is in the bottom. You're going to do the same thing. The bottom one. Going to be the same thing. Let's pull it down. Then we're going to disconnect the plug. And just pull the hose off from the top one and the bottom one. It's completely off. Now we're going to take out the two bolts, one here and one at the bottom, which is a size 10mm. Then let's go to the bottom. Same thing, broke it loose. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Look at the name, Denso. So Denso make parts for Honda, and this one, what does this say? Denso Japan. So you can never install these wrong because it has the arrow right here that's pointed up, and the plug plugs in right on top. And just reverse step, put it there, grab the bolt, and tighten it down. So what I like to do is put this on, put the bolt for the top, the bottom, don't tighten it up yet. But then you grab the hose and plug it in the top, and then you plug it in the bottom. Once you have that, and then you can tighten up the bolt at the bottom. And just bring it down. Let's do the same thing for the bottom. Alright, I got everything tight from the top to the bottom. Bolts are tight. Last step. The plug back on, plug it in, and then start up the car. A short reset, you check engine light, or if not, just disconnect the car battery. And that's how you replace the purge valve for 2004 2008 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.